Papalitan nyo na raw po si Senator Cheese.
Parang ganun.
Aha. Congrats, sir. Sir, ilang boto na po?
15 signs.
Sir, sino po magiging majority leader?
15 signatories.
Sir, sino sir ang majority?
15 signatories, I said.
Okay.
Sir, sino po magiging majority leader?
Most probably will elect Vic Soliri.
Aha.
Okay, sir, tama ba
Pro
na
temp.
kinausap nyo na Pro temp?
Most probably Ping Lacson.
Sir, nakausap nyo na si Senator Cheese kaninang umaga?
Yes, I went to see him. And told him. And then, una niya tinanong, so how do you want to do this? Sabi ko, it's up to you. Sabi ko, how would you prefer to do it? Sabi niya, let's do it by acclamation. And declare the position of Senate President vacant.
Sir, bakit
Mag-resign siya nung position?
Parang ganon, yeah.
Sir, bakit magkakaroon ng change ng leadership? Anong main issue?
Maraming mga hinaharap yung leadership namin. Di ba? Maraming hinaharap. Nabuti na rin siguro yung we try to calm things down in the Senate.
Kasama ba ang flood control issue kaya bababa siya?
Hindi naman siguro. Ito yung talagang a few weeks back pinag-uusapan na rin ng mga kasama natin. I think the best, I will not be the best person to ask of the change. Ako'y hinahalal lang. Iahalal pa lang. So I think it's best that you ask
Sir, alam ko
you ask the members of the Senate who are moving for this.
Sir,
signatories of the resolution.
Independent ang Senate, sir, no? Pero si Presidente Marcos ba alam niya itong mangyayaring change ng leadership?
The President knows me. He knows that I can be cooperative but independent. The Senate is always, I believe that the Senate must always be independent.
Kay Senator Marcoleta pa rin po ba ang Blue Ribbon?
The group will decide later on.
Sir, yung Duterte Black, ano mangyayari sa kanila? Parang sabi ni Sen Amy, parang hindi pa nila alam.
I think magme-meeting sila thereafter.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.